Get yourself a gray standpipe from the hardware store. I paid $5 for this one. This is used for irrigation systems. And then cut yourself a couple of sections, maybe 6 inches. I cut 2 of them. And then after you cut those, buy yourself a set of these Hallmaster lashing straps. Connect the 2 strands together so that you have 24 feet of strap. It's adjustable. Trim off the buckle end. These are 12 feet. And then use a cigarette lighter to singe the ends so they don't fray. Over the standing line, back through the hole. And I'm going to go through the hole. Over the standing part of the line. And then back through the hole. Now you have 2 identical grips, and then halfway between you have a clasp, so now you can cinch them up around a tree or some other object. This is annoying. I hate labels. And then you can take them with you anywhere you want to go.